Good morning. We're going to look now at taking advantage of the newest ChatGPT 5, to help us make some posts and some other things for real estate agents. We're going to be sharing an AI prompt playbook for real estate agents. This will give you the top AI prompts, the way they work, to help you with the newest ChatGPT, so that you can super focus what you're doing and get some more leads and roll out for different things. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different options. This is one for a listing description. We're going to do this one together. The social media post. There's some in here for TikTok, for email nurturing, for buyers and sellers. Here's a for sale by owner letter, expired neighborhood market report, buyer handling role play, a relocation guide for different areas. Here's one that can help you write a good blog, open house flyer text, an instant property analysis summary, a seasonal marketing ideas. This is great coming up. I'm doing this right about a month or two before October. We're in September now, so we're going to be getting into the holidays. So this is a great one for that. This helps you with your daily AI workflows, and then the contact key dates. So this would be if you have a contract in the Texas 1 to 4, you use this prompt and you drop in your contract, and it will pull all these dates for you. And then it will kind of tell you where everything is, what it's looking for, and what to look at. I'm going to have this link for this right here. I'm going to have this AI Playbook for Real Estate Agent link right in the description at the top. So feel free to grab that and use it. And I'm going to go ahead and practice now some. So the first one to look at, I want to start over here at the top. I jump back up here, is look at this sales social media post for Instagram and Facebook. So I already went to my ChatGPT and I opened it up here and I used the prompt that says you're a creative real estate social media strategist. So it's good. You need to tell ChatGPT what it is and then what you want. Create 5 engaging Instagram posts for first-time home buyer seller relocation. I gave it a bunch of different options. Usually I would only put one in there. I left all 5 so you can see the different choices it would do. But usually instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would just do only military, something like that. And I'm going to say use a conversational tone, trending hashtags, a short hook, because people are scrolling through. You want to be able to catch them as they're scrolling and then make them pause and take a look, and then you can put them to work. And then I want to use each caption as a question to encourage engagement. And then I'm going to include a suggested image video for each caption. If I want to, I can add that in there. You'll see what that means. And I'm going to talk about the benefits of a VA loan. So I put it in there. It did its work. And then right here, it's going to start doing it. 5 stopping. It tailored this one to Instagram, which is the same as Facebook. And then look here, stop scrolling, 0. And this would be the stop scrolling link right here. So you put this little sign, 0% down is real in Military City, USA. And here's your hashtag right there for the VA loan. Many first-time homebuyer skip the down payment, avoid PMI and snag, competitive rate to your BH and go farther in SA. So they're using military terms like basic allowance for housing in order to catch the client and make them more interested. This is a great tool you can use to get people's attention and kind of catch them that way. And then it has, if you want a visual, you can have a quick cut reel of rent versus own numbers. If you had a whiteboard, you could do it on like a digital whiteboard or an Excel sheet with 0 down overlay. And then you can show that down. Example, you just same thing, PCS and JBSA, make your move count. Each one of these is to make people pause, look at it, and realize that they might have something good there. And these, of course, are very much VA loan, but that's a simple. I now have 5 posts. You can see right here, it only took, like right here, 46 seconds it took to write these out. So within a minute, less than a minute, I have 5 engaging posts that I can use to pull people in and make them be more interested in looking at my post and pausing and reading it. And then I can go from there. And then I can have my engaging, like right here, my suggested videos, whatever I want to do for my visual, map to door, reel based page, all kinds of different things you can do. This is an easy thing you can do to kind of put this together. Now, the other option I mentioned in here, if you go to the bottom, it shows an example of a contract key date. I'm going to show you just an example of what that looks like. This is just an example, like doing an old contract that somebody had. And you can see here, This shows you some of the dates you need to worry about. Of course, this one should be the close date. Because it was not a real contract, it's giving me some strange dates. So don't worry about that because it's not a real contract. But this is more important. These show right here. Like these are if you go to the top here, and I'm going to try to open it up right here. So you can let it know whose responsibility it is. If this gives a termination right to the buyer, and then see option period, paragraph 5, the buyer, their responsibility, it does. But you have to give by written termination of 5 p.m. So this isn't, I mean, this is not a perfect prompt, but it gives you a rough idea of what's happening in your contract, what the key dates are. And if you're a newer agent, it's a great way to kind of plug that in there. So that prompt, remember, is part of your AI playbook right here. So you have your AI playbook, and that's the last prompt. And you go to the bottom for the contract key date extraction prompt. And again, tweak it and make it yours. Find a little bit more to work for you, but it gives you a good skeleton to start with. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. Hope to share some more soon.